I'm just going to do a slight demonstration for you on how you can book yourself in as a patient. So you'll say check in, and you'll just follow the on-screen prompts. You'll choose the month that you were born in, and select next. You'll choose the day that you were born in, and then you'll select the first 3 letters of your surname, and select next. It'll then bring up your demographics. Make sure that this is you. If it is not, you'll then have to go and see one of our outpatient experience clerks. So for this one, we'll say, yes, this is me. It'll then confirm your GP. We are looking at the GP address more than the GP name. So if your GP address is correct, you can say, yes, this is correct. If not, please go and see one of our outpatient experience clerks again. It'll then bring up your mobile number. Please make sure your mobile number is correct. Select next. All appointment reminders get done via your mobile number, so make sure that you are still happy to receive the text, and if you are, select next. It'll then ask you to select your email address and input that data for us, so if you can put that in for us, that will be much appreciated, and then push next. It'll then say that your appointment has been confirmed. Make sure that this is the appointment that you are due to attend, and select finish. Once that is done, then you can then take a seat at your relevant waiting area.